Hello, hello, hello. It is Saturday, yeah. Such a mighty fun day. Woo! Yes, it is. Said it before, I'll say it again. It's a great singing day. It is. It's a great day. If you make it that, and it's our job, what can I say? One of my students said, how do I project without hurting myself? So I have several points I want to go over. One is ready, think is the second, aim is the third, and know is the fourth. Ready. You've got to ready your muscles. They can't be halfway there and then you try and push your voice to the back of the stage, to sing loud, to make sure it projects. Okay? So you really want to make sure that your muscles are ready to do what you're asking them to do. They have that strength. And in my vocal workout course, all we do are exercises. In the morning, in the evening. In the morning, you know, that's an old song, okay? Ain't we got fun? So, okay, I digress. So in the morning, I'm doing vocal exercises. Same ones in the vocal workout course, same ones in Singing for a Lifetime, and in the big course that I'm going to break through in the next year. Oh my gosh, 2025 is it's like right on our doorstep, isn't it? Okay, so any of the things that I do involve working the muscles. And that's because you will be able to project to the back of the room. You'll be able to do whatever you want if your muscles are ready, if you've really worked them, okay? So now the second thing is think. You've got to think. You think of the horn, okay? So you're thinking, ah, and you think of it moving outward, not in out, and your sound moving out. You'd be surprised at how much volume you end up having. Now, the caveat is that you do have to support through all of this, okay? So if you don't know how to support, you don't know how to work your muscles, then you know what you have to do. Okay, aim. You're aiming, and I already mentioned it. Aim to the back of the room. You don't want to aim right in front of you. Although you want to perform to the people in front of you, on the side, to the left, to the right, but you want to aim for the back of the room. And my kitty has decided to meow again through this. He says, you've got to let me out. And it's like, no, I'm not. Okay, so again, I move to the kitty. All right, so now aim to the back of the room and then know the volume that you are capable of. Don't just think, I'll be able to do it. I'm just going to push through it. You're going to push through it, and you're going to push through it again and then again, and you're going to hurt yourself. Because projecting and having the strength to do that isn't easy. It's hard to do. And so you must prepare yourself to do that by strengthening your muscles. Know what you can and can't do. And, you know, the thing is, you've got to respect the muscles. You're going to start feeling them. If you're aware of the musculature, you're going to start feeling them pulling away from you. You might feel a tickle in the throat, okay? But you're on stage and you're going to push because you want to get to the back of the stage. You can't do that. You have to be very, very careful and not push. Okay, now let me see if I forgot anything. Practiced and ready. Woohoo! Okay. I begin with it, I end with it. It is so important that you do the behind the scenes work on your voice. You can't go out there and just expect it to do whatever you want if you've just practiced once or twice in the week, vocalized, and worked your muscles from the very low to the high. It's not going to give you what you want. You've got to practice a lot more than that. And check out, did you hear him? Oh my gosh. All right. Hopefully you can't, but I'm not going to end this. I'm going to keep going with this one here because we're almost done. So I want to say again, you must respect your muscles and work them a lot more than that, a lot more days. Don't just do one day with a bulk of exercises. You just have to do consistently many days, your muscles are going to respond. You're going to notice the difference, and you're going to be able to project really far to the back of the room. And that's going to make you smile, woo, because it's... Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, DM me. Oh my gosh. Go to marquitawaters.com. Thank you, because it's such a day. Yeah, yeah, such a mighty fine day. Yeah, it's such a day. Woo! Love to sing, love to teach you, gotta hear from you, love you. Big hugs, okay? Bye, 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 bye. See ya.